What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Stephen Wallace. We're diving into the heart of Texas, San Antonio, a city bursting with flavor, history, and adventure. We're talking epic battles, mouth-watering food, and stunning sights. We're uncovering hidden gems and local favorites that'll make you the envy of your friends. Stick around because we're taking you on a wild ride through the best city in Texas. Let's do it. First up, we're hitting the Alamo, Texas's superhero origin story. Picture this, 1836, a small band of Texan heroes facing down an army. They fought bravely for freedom, and their story still echoes through these walls. The Alamo is a living, breathing museum with artifacts, weapons, and stories of the people who lived and fought here. And the gardens? A slice of paradise in the city. Now I know what you're thinking. History, museums, boring. But hold your horses. The Alamo is anything but boring. It's got action, drama, and everything a good story needs. Plus, it's a chance to connect with the spirit of Texas. And hey, you might even run into folks dressed in period costumes, ready to transport you back in time. Alright folks, buckle up because we're diving into the heart and soul of San Antonio, the Riverwalk. This iconic destination is not just a place, it's an experience that captures the essence of the city. Imagine cobblestone paths winding alongside a sparkling river shaded by lush trees and dotted with shops and restaurants. It's like stepping into a picturesque postcard where every corner has a story to tell. The Riverwalk is the coolest hangout spot in San Antonio. By day, it's a serene escape perfect for families and friends. And by night, it transforms into a vibrant hub of activity with a nightlife that's second to none. Whether you're in the mood for a romantic stroll, a delicious meal, or some good old-fashioned people-watching, the Riverwalk has got you covered. It's a place where memories are made, and every visit feels like a new adventure. And speaking of food, get ready to loosen your belt buckles because the Riverwalk is a foodie's paradise. From casual bites to gourmet dining, there's something to satisfy every palate. We're talking sizzling fajitas, mouth-watering barbecue, and Tex-Mex that'll make your taste buds sing. The culinary scene here is a melting pot of flavors that reflect the rich cultural heritage of San Antonio. You can even grab a bite at one of the many restaurants with outdoor seating overlooking the river. Imagine dining al fresco with the gentle sound of the river flowing by, creating a perfect backdrop for your meal. And don't miss the riverboat tour for a new perspective on the city. It's a unique way to explore the Riverwalk, offering stunning views and fascinating insights into the history and culture of San Antonio. So, lace up your walking shoes and bring your appetite because the Riverwalk is waiting to enchant you. Get ready to step back in time at the San Antonio Missions National Historical Park. We're talking about 4 beautifully preserved Spanish missions, each a window into the past. These missions are like time capsules giving you a glimpse into life in the 1700s. And the coolest part? These missions are still active churches today. Plus, the whole park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, one of the most historically significant places on the planet. They're all connected by a beautiful hike and bike trail along the San Antonio River. It's the perfect way to soak up some Texas sunshine and enjoy the scenery. Get ready for a sensory overload at Market Square, also known as El Mercado. This place is like a giant fiesta, packed with shops, food stalls, and enough energy to power a small city. We're talking authentic Mexican crafts, from hand-painted pottery to leather goods to jewelry. And the main attraction? The food. We're talking mountains of steaming tamales, sizzling fajitas, and enough salsa to make your eyes water, in a good way. And as you're enjoying the food, you'll be serenaded by mariachi bands. It's an experience that'll transport you straight to the heart of Mexico. Get ready to have your minds blown at the San Fernando Cathedral. Now I know what you're thinking. A cathedral? Boring. But trust me, this ain't your grandma's cathedral. This place is old, 1738 old, making it one of the oldest cathedrals in the U.S. Generations of San Antonians have walked through these doors. But here's where things get interesting. Every night the cathedral comes alive with a spectacular light show called The Saga. The entire facade transforms into a giant canvas, illuminated with a dazzling display of lights, colors, and music that tells the story of San Antonio. Seriously, this is one light show you do not want to miss. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're stepping into the Pearl District. This is where history meets hip, where old-world charm collides with modern-day style. We're talking cobblestone streets lined with trendy boutiques, art galleries, and restaurants serving culinary masterpieces. The Pearl District isn't just about looking good, it's about living well. You can catch a live music performance, browse the farmers market, or soak up the vibrant atmosphere. And if you're a foodie, the Pearl District is home to some of the best restaurants in San Antonio. We're talking James Beard award-winning chefs and farm-to-table cuisine. For a truly unforgettable experience, book a stay at the Hotel Emma, a stunning boutique hotel in a former brewery. Get ready to reach for the stars at the iconic Tower of the Americas. This towering structure is not just a landmark, it's an experience that will elevate your visit to San Antonio to new heights. This is your chance to see San Antonio in all its glory, sprawled out beneath you like a giant, colorful map. From this vantage point, the city reveals its true beauty, with its vibrant neighborhoods and historic sites. From up here, you can see everything. The Alamo, the Riverwalk, the Missions, the whole shebang. Each landmark tells a story, and from this height, you get a unique perspective on the rich history and culture of San Antonio. And if you're feeling brave, step out onto the observation deck's glass floor. It's a thrilling experience that gives you the sensation of floating above the city, adding an extra layer of excitement to your visit. The Tower of the Americas is also home to a revolving restaurant. This isn't just any dining experience, it's one where the scenery changes with every bite. Enjoy a delicious meal while taking in panoramic views of the city. As the restaurant slowly rotates, you'll get a 360-degree view of San Antonio, making your dining experience truly unforgettable. Just imagine, you're savoring a perfectly cooked steak, sipping on a glass of wine, and watching the sunset over the San Antonio skyline. The combination of fine dining and breathtaking views creates a magical atmosphere. It's the kind of experience that'll stay with you long after you've left San Antonio. Capture the moment with photos, and share the awe-inspiring views with friends and family. And who knows, you might even catch a glimpse of the ghost of a former Texas Ranger said to haunt the tower. Just kidding. Or am I? The Tower of the Americas is full of surprises, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring San Antonio. Calling all history buffs, science nerds, and curious minds? If you have a thirst for knowledge and a passion for discovery, then this is the place for you. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery at the Witta Museum, a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be explored. This ain't your dusty old museum, folks. It's a vibrant, dynamic space where every corner holds a new surprise. This is a place where learning comes alive, where history is an adventure. We're talking dinosaur skeletons that tower above you, interactive exhibits that engage all your senses, and artifacts that'll transport you back in time, giving you a glimpse into the lives of those who came before us. You can explore the wilds of Texas, from its diverse ecosystems to the fascinating creatures that inhabit them, delve into the lives of Native Americans, understanding their rich culture and traditions through beautifully curated exhibits, and even come face to face with some creepy crawlies in the HEB Body Adventure exhibit, where you can learn about the incredible world of insects and their role in our ecosystem. Adults will love the museum's collection of Texas art, showcasing the state's rich artistic heritage and contemporary works that capture its spirit, and its fascinating exhibits on the history of San Antonio, offering a deep dive into the city's past and its journey to the present. And for a unique experience, check out the museum's planetarium. Here, you can embark on a cosmic journey, exploring the wonders of the universe. Whether you're a lifelong learner, or just looking for a fun and educational way to spend an afternoon, the Witta Museum offers something for everyone. It's a place where curiosity is encouraged and knowledge is celebrated. So come on down to the Witta Museum, the perfect destination for an unforgettable day of exploration and learning. Bring your family, bring your friends, and make some memories. Feeling stressed, overwhelmed by city life? Then pack a picnic basket and your comfiest walking shoes, because we're escaping to the San Antonio Botanical Garden. This is 38 acres of pure botanical bliss, home to a dazzling array of plants, flowers, and trees from all over the world. We're talking towering palms, delicate orchids, fragrant roses, and even a cactus garden. You can wander through themed gardens, explore the conservatory, or simply find a shady spot to relax. And if you're feeling adventurous, check out the garden's walking trails, which offer stunning views of the city skyline. The San Antonio Botanical Garden is the perfect place to escape the noise and reconnect with nature. Hold on to your hats, animal lovers, because we're embarking on a wild adventure at the San Antonio Zoo. This is 56 acres of pure animal kingdom magic, home to over 750 species from all over the world. We're talking majestic lions, playful monkeys, graceful giraffes, and even a Komodo dragon. The San Antonio Zoo is a feast for the senses, a chance to get up close and personal with incredible creatures. But the zoo isn't just about looking at animals, it's about learning about them too. The zoo is committed to conservation efforts, educating visitors about protecting endangered species and providing a safe environment for the animals. So, pack a picnic, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for a day of wild fun at the San Antonio Zoo. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 things to see and do in San Antonio, Texas. From history and culture to food and fun, this city has something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flight, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in the heart of Texas. Don't forget to check out the description below for more information on all the amazing attractions we talked about today.